A1 Roof Saver Incorporated provides a comprehensive array of commercial and industrial roofing products and services for customers in the Belleville and Quincy area. A1 Roof Saver Incorporated prides ourselves as a company that can apply what roofing system is best for you. Whether you need roofing repairs for your commercial or industrial buildings, A1 Roof Saver Incorporated is your only choice for the many types of roofing systems and painting needs on the market today. Our roofing professionals are highly experienced in performing many different types of roofing projects and repair work. For nearly 20 years, A1 Roof Saver Incorporated has been meeting the roofing needs of our local customers with honest and expert roofing services. With particular expertise in commercial and industrial re-roofing, we provide roof repair and restoration services to many types of businesses. When you need a long-lasting and affordable roofing solution for your business, we are the roofing experts to call. We specialize in expert roofing and painting. With our many years of roofing experience, your satisfaction is guaranteed.